Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I got a really cool project I want to show you that I'm working on, and I want to just give you an idea of the materials that I'm using. So my wife came up to me and she said to me, I have my shoes are broken, can you fix them for me? And I said, sure, let me take a look at them. So her heels are all falling apart like this, and if you've seen this on your shoes, sometimes these heels just fall apart. They crack, they fall, they just from age. But she likes the shoes are all leather, nice quality, and she wants to maintain them as long as possible. So what I ended up doing was going online and finding a company that sells basically the heels, or the rubber heel that goes on the bottom of that shoe. Okay, so I'll take it out and show you what it looks like. So it's a big piece. So one side has a grip side to it, the other side is flat. This is the side you glue down. So it's oversized, as you can see. So the idea behind this is you take it behind here. Once you remove this and clean it, you put this behind here, and then you take a pen and use an outline and just draw the outline, and then you cut it with a pair of scissors. And basically, so you basically make a template. You just cut it out, and then basically once you clean it off, I would sand it a little bit with a little sandpaper and get it ready, and then use glue. This is the glue I use. This is a shoe glue, and this thing works awesome. I've repaired a couple different shoes, so very, very easy. It's a Loctite. It's a glue. Shoe glue, leather, vinyl, things like that, canvas. This is what you want to use for that. So this is the glue I use. These are the soles that I use to replace them. And so this is the old one, and I want to show you the new one. When I get done with it, it looks like this. You can see how I just cut out the angle, same exact thing. It's all perfect. And you can just, just go a little bit larger and then trim it down as needed. Good pair of scissors makes a big difference. So you can see the huge difference here before and after. So definitely recommend doing it yourself. It's really easy. You don't have to go to a cobbler. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars. For a few bucks, you can do it yourself and just learn. Basically, just if you can trace, you can fix. That's how simple it is with this. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the quick review. Definitely highly recommend this, and thanks for watching. Definitely, this is what you need, and it works great.